Illustration number 13. Following is the balance sheet of X and Y. Only two partners are there who share profits and losses in the ratio of 4:1. X and Y, two partners are there. Only two partners we are having. X and Y. 4:1 was their old ratio, and we have to use in this chapter only one ratio, that is old. So have a look on the balance sheet asset side. First of all, bank balance is given to you. That bank balance will be recorded here. To balance brought down 20,000. Whatever you are having opening balance of bank, you have to write to balance brought down in the bank column. Then comes to realization account. You are having debtors. You will write here to debtors 17,000 by provision. On the opposite side you will write 2,000. Then बचे stock 15,000, investment 25,000, furniture 6,000, buildings 19,000. Now goodwill is also an asset in this chapter. No further treatment of goodwill is there, so it will also be written here. One profit and loss is given. Only two things comes here in partners capital account, that is profit and loss and advertisement suspense. So this profit and loss will be divided among the two partners in their old ratio, 8,000 and 2,000 to profit and loss account. So all assets will be recorded here except any provision. Provision will be on opposite side. Two things comes in PCA, profit and loss, advertisement suspense, and one things in bank account only, the opening balance of cash or bank. Have a look on liability side now. By creditors, we are having creditors 8,000. Bank overdraft is also an external liability. Bank overdraft 6,000. Then ex brother's loan. Brother is outsider, not a partner. Ex brother's loan is also outside liability, 8,000. Now Y's loan. Y is a partner. Partner's loan, partner's capital never come in realization. Y's loan will be paid off from bank account. Investment fluctuation fund. I told yesterday also, bache, if investments are given in the question, then investment fluctuation reserve will be written here. Then it will not be distributed here. If investments are not there in the question, then you can distribute this reserve in PCA. But if investments are there, then you have to write the investment fluctuation reserve in realization account. Last capitals are given to you, and that will be recorded by the name by balance brought down 50,000 X capital, 40,000 Y's capital. Any doubt, bache? All liabilities, outside liabilities we have recorded here except the capital and then partners loan. Partners capital, reserve and partners loan are not recorded in realization account at all. Now have a look on adjustments, bache. X agreed to pay off his brother's loan. X said that I will pay my brother's loan. All the liabilities will be settled this side to X capital account. He said I will handle my brother, 8,000 I will pay. Okay. Next, debtors of 5,000 proved bad. Now what do you mean by proved bad? All the assets will be realized here. Either it is taken by the partner or we have realized them. So by bank account, debtors. Beta 17,000 was to be received. Now they are saying 5,000 is bad. That means we have received 12. If 17 was the value of the debtors and 5 are bad, then we have received 12,000 only. No further treatment of provision. Okay. Third adjustment, other assets realized, investment 20% less. Now investments also we have realized from bank 20% less. 5,000 was the value, investments was 25,000, and they said that 20% less. 25,000 and 20% of 25,000 will be 5,000. So 80% we have received 20,000. Out of 25,000 bache, if we have deducted 20%, that value is 20,000. Then goodwill at 60%. Calculate the 60% of goodwill, it will be 6,000. Goodwill we have realized 6,000. Next, one of the creditor of 5,000 was paid only 3,000. One of the creditor out of 8, one creditor was there of 5,000 and we have paid him only rupees 3,000. 8 was the total value we have paid to bank. 3,000 we have paid to the creditor who was having 5,000 balance. 5,000 balance, we have given 3,000. Remaining 3,000 we have to pay. Total we have paid 6,000. How bache? Out of 8, 3 we have to pay. Out of 8, 3 we have to pay. Rest 5,000 person have taken only 3,000. So 3 plus 3, 6,000 we have paid to the creditors. Fifth adjustment, building were auctioned for 30,000 and the auctioneer commission amounting to rupees 1,000. So building we have sold through auction. 30,000 was the auction price, 1,000 was the brokerage we have given. So we have received 29,000 rupees from goodwill. Next bache, Y took over part of stock at 4,000 being 20% less than the book value. Balance stock realized 50%. Now bache, what you have to do? Y have took over a stock of value 4,000. Y took over stock of value 4,000 and this 4,000 was 20% less. That means this 4,000 is 80%. We have Y have taken 4,000 worth rupees stock and it was 20% less than the book value. So it is 80% book value. 80% means the value of stock which he has taken was 5. And this will be used in working note only. Here we will write that Y have taken a stock by Y's capital account. He have taken stock of rupees 4,000 only. But the actual price of the stock was 5,000. Now you were having 15,000 stock. 5 have been given to Y. Whether he have taken it at 4,000, no issue. But the value which is reduced from the total stock will be 5,000. Now 10,000 we are having. 10,000. Remaining 10,000 we are having. And 50% of this we have realized. That means 5,000 from stock. Have a look again, bache. 15,000 was the value of total stock. And Y have taken valued rupees 5,000. So 10 was remaining. And 50% is the value which we have received. 5,000. Because 4,000, at 4,000 he have taken, but this is the value after deducting 20% discount. So 20% means this value is 80%. So when we have calculated 100%, we came to know that 5,000 is the value, which was the value of the stock. face value, but he took at 4,000. So here we have written 4,000, Y have taken, and remaining stock we have realized 5,000. Last adjustment bache, realization expenses rupees 2,000. Expenses realization only rupees 2,000. Now beta, you have to see whether you have not realized any asset, no issue, but whether there is any liability which you have not paid, you have to consider it first. No further treatment of provision. Creditors we have already paid rupees 3 plus 3 6,000. Now this bank overdraft we have to pay. Beta, there must be some liabilities, definitely those who will not be paid off in the question, but you have to make the payment. So we have paid the X have paid the brothers loan and no further treatment of investment fluctuation reserve. Now you have to calculate the answer. Total of debit side is more, 1,14,000, and here the credit balance is less by 9,000. 1,14,000 was total, but 9,000 was the balancing figure, and this is your loss, which will be given to X and Y in their old ratio 4:1. Any doubt, bache? Now this loss will be transferred here, realization account, 7,200 and 1,800. Now have a look. Here Y's capital is used. So you will write to realization account. Y have taken a stock and X have paid a liability of his brother's loan. So here you will write by realization account in X column 8,000. So 58,000, 40,000. You have to make the payment, remaining payment to X and Y. 58 minus 8 and 72, it will be 42,800. You have to make payment. 40 minus these three will be 32,200. Definitely, bache. Now you have to make the bank account. Here you will write you have to pay X capital 42800, Y's capital 32200, and then you have to see ki whatever you have paid to outsiders, this realization 6 plus 6 plus 2, 14,000. So total will become 92,000. So this is the payment side. Maximum three payments are can be there. Partners loan, partners capital, and realization account. Here you will write the balance BD and then the realization account assets sold. Whatever assets you have sold, you have to mention it here. It will be 72,000. The total of these all assets will be 72 and total 92. Both the side total should be equal.